Mathematics 4. Decimals. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to recognize the place value of decimals. Compare decimals. A decimal is a type of number that has a whole number part and a fractional part separated by a decimal point. Read the decimals as if it were a whole number followed by the place value of the rightmost digit. The decimal point is read as and, or point. Each decimal number has its own value depending on the position of each digit. We can use the place value chart to help us determine the position and value of the digits. Look at the number. This decimal number can be read as 43 and 562 thousandths. Or 43.562. The place value of digit 4 is tens and has a value of 4 tens or 40. The place value of digit 3 is ones and has a value of 3 ones or 3. The place value of digit 5 is tenths and has a value of 5 tenths or 0.5. The place value of digit 6 is hundredths and has a value of 6 hundredths or 0.06. The place value of digit 2 is thousandths and has a value of 2 thousandths or 0.002. 522 and 87 hundredths or 522.87. The place value of 5 is hundredths and has a value of 5 hundredths or 500. The place value of 2 is tens and has a value of 2 tens or 20. The place value of 2 is ones and has a value of 2 ones or 2. The place value of 8 is tenths and has a value of 8 tenths or 0.80. The place value of 7 is hundredths and has a value of 7 hundredths or 0.07. What is the place value and value of the underlined digit in 32.541? The place value of 5 is tenths, and the value of 5 is 5 tenths or 0.5. Decimal numbers have place values. The value of each digit depends on its place or position. When you affix 0 at the end of a decimal number, the value of the number is not affected. Comparing decimals. To compare decimals, compare the whole numbers first. If it is the same, compare the tenths, then the hundredths, and so on. We use the signs greater than, less than, or equal to in comparing decimal numbers. Example. Look at the chart. It shows the prices of snacks for the day. Which snack is the cheapest? Which is the most expensive? Therefore, the chicken sandwich is the cheapest snack on the list. Now, let us compare the prices of other snacks. Therefore, the most expensive snack is the hamburger, which costs 22.75 pesos. Compare 15 and 15.425. The second whole number, 15, has a decimal point after it. We affix zeros after the first 15 for the numbers to have the same number of decimal places. Note: affixing zeros at the end of the decimal number will not affect its numerical value. Now, let us compare the tens and ones digits. They have the same value. Next, let us compare tenths digit, which is 4. 4 is greater than 0. Therefore we can say that 15.425 is greater than 15. Or 15 is less than 15.425. Let's practice. Now, try to compare 0.05 and 0.50. 0.05 is less than 0.50. Compare 0.09 and 0.090. 0.09 is equal to 0.090. Compare 12.017 and 12.17. 12.017 is less than 12.17.